Good morning, dear students. Welcome today on our class. Okay, and today I'll teach chapter number 17, Forest, our lifeline. And today we'll discuss in this chapter about importance of forest. Okay, so in previous classes I have deal about forest and the structure of forest. Okay, so what is a forest? Forest is a large area of land covered thickly with different kinds of trees, shrubs, herbs, grasses, creepers, and climbers. Okay, so forest is a home to many animals and plant species. Okay, so today we will discuss the importance of forests. Okay, so instead, forests provide us many things we need. Besides, they play a very important role in maintaining the environmental balance. Okay, so let us understand how forests are important for us. Okay, the first topic is forest, a source of wood. Second importance of forest a source of variety of product. The third point is forest maintain balance of gases. Fourth point is forest maintain water cycle in nature. The fifth topic is forest prevent soil erosion. Okay. Sixth topic is forest prevent floods and replenish groundwater. Okay. Forest provide food and shelter to wildlife. And 8 is forest reduce pollution and 9 point is recreation. Okay, so I have deal one by one. I have deal the first topic, forest a source of wood. Is variety of trees growing in the forest like big sesame, rosewood, and some are the sources of wood. Good quality wood is used to make furniture, boards, sport goods, and for construction houses. Wood is used as a fuel in many households for cooking food. Okay, and wood is also used for production of paper, which is used for making books, magazines, and newspapers. Okay, and the next second topic is forest a source of variety of product. Okay, so several plants that grow in forest are used in the preparation of medicines. The bark of cinchona, okay, tree is source of cinchona tree. Okay, a substance known as which, okay, a substance known as which as a medicine. So student, the cinchona tree is the use source of medicines called quinine. Okay, that's clear. Used for treatment of malaria disease. Okay, a few trees contains a substance like now as taxol with the help fight certain types of cancer, and the turpentine which produced from resin or gum. Okay, so up pine stays is used thinking paints and varnish. Okay, the next topic is forest maintain balance of gases. Forest maintain the balance of gases. Okay, so forest maintain the natural balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere by using up carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen during photosynthesis. In this way, forest purify the air and serve as green lungs in nature. Okay, forest purify the air and serve as green lung in nature. Okay, the next topic is forest maintain water cycle in nature. Okay. Okay, forest in the trees in the forest recycle large quantity of water regularly. Water gets evaporate into the atmosphere by leaving the okay by leaving. That's clear. So student, the forest maintain balance of gases. Okay. So how can this? So the forest maintain the natural balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere by using up carbon dioxide and release oxygen during photosynthesis. In this way, forest purify the air and serve as green lungs in nature. Okay. So the next topic is forest maintain water cycle in nature. Okay. So student, trees in the forest recycle large quantity of water regularly. Okay, water gets evaporated into the atmosphere by leaves of plants by the process known as transpiration. Okay, so gradually water vapor forms cloud and falls on the earth as rainfall. Thus, forest increase rainfall in the region. Okay, and the next topic is forest prevent soil erosion. Okay, so the removal of top fertile soil from a region by wind, rain, and or running water is called soil erosion. Okay. So, forest prevent soil erosion. The roots of trees bind the soil and save it from being washed away by water or rain or blown away by the wind. Thus, forest prevents soil erosion and help in the conservation of soil. Okay, the next topic is forest prevent floods and replenish groundwater. Okay, student, forest act as big check dam. Okay, in the region. They slow down the flow of rainwater, reduce its force, and help control floods. Okay, the trees in the forest allow water to percolate into the ground. This helps in replenishing the groundwater in the region. Okay, and the next point is forest provide food and shelter to wildlife. Okay, isn't many plants and animals are found in forest. Forest is their natural habitat. Many tribal people or our country live in forest. They get food, shelter, water, and medicines from the forest. Okay. The next topic is forest reduce pollution. Okay. Forest absorb carbon dioxide and reduce its concentration in the atmosphere. Trees bind soil particles together and decrease the dust contamination in the air. Okay, these dust particles are called suspended particles matter. Okay, so trees present in the forest act as sound absorb and reduce noise pollution. Okay, and the last topic is point is recreation. Recreation. Some forests have been developed into recreational park. Okay, in this park people may enjoy camping, hiking, and trekking, and also go for relaxation. Okay, so listen, I hope understood today class all topics regarding the topics. These topics, any doubt you can feel free to ask me. Have a nice day. Good day.